Hey, what's up, everyone? Happy Friday. It's a Friday evening here in Pensacola, Florida. So I want to say everybody that's watching this video, thank you for checking this video out and watching this video. If you are listening on live, give me a hashtag live and tell me where you're from. This is how we do it. And if you're watching it on a replay, give me a hashtag replay and tell me where you are from. Tonight, quick video I want to do, trying to do more videos, really more educational videos. So tonight, I want to talk about 3 living benefits of a life insurance policy. And I don't know if you are aware what a living benefits is. Now, remember, all life insurance policies are not created equal. We talked about a permanent life insurance policy, and we talked about a term life insurance policy. Living benefits, it's a rider. I mean, it's an additional to the policy. Sometimes it's optional. There's some carriers don't even carry living benefits, but I'm gonna break it down a little bit details to tell you what it is. There are some permanent policies that have it and some term policies that have it, but not all policies have it. Many times it's not even more, or it could be a few dollars more, but you need to really check this out and look at your policy. Make sure you check your beneficiaries. Another tip I want to say with your beneficiaries, do not put minor children as beneficiaries on the life policy. There's a reason for that. It's going to be held up in court. You're going to have to hire an attorney, and they're going to have to appoint a guardian. So don't do that. So we'll talk more about the beneficiaries another time. But I want to talk about this. Let me see. Let me get my slides together. Bear with me. But I want to talk about these living benefits. It look like I've frozen up a little bit. Did it download for me? Well, anyway, so I'm having an issue with my slides today. But number one, so living benefits. The first one. Well, I shouldn't have any issues. Hold on for a second. Let me see here. For some reason, it's not okay. Here it is, right here. All right, here we go. Got it. Thank you for bearing with me. I should have had this uploaded. So we want to talk about 3 living benefits rider for a life policy. Now, the first one is critical illness. Now, this is a rider on a life insurance policy. Critical illness. It enables a person to collect a portion of the death benefit if they've been diagnosed like a heart attack or stroke or cancer. Did you know that in America, that 69% of bankruptcies is a result of medical, and people have had health insurance? So this life insurance policy has a rider built in that if you have a heart attack or stroke, you can get a portion of the death benefit, and you can use the money for whatever you want to, pay bills, pay off debt, and groceries, buy groceries, or whatever you want to. Take a vacation if you want to. Now, a doctor has to sign off on it. Now, so it covers heart attack, stroke, and cancers, those type of areas, critical illness. Now, the second one is chronic illness. This allows a person to get a portion of the death benefit if they've been diagnosed with things like ALS, diabetes, or even Alzheimer's. Now, this chronic illness rider, a person is allowed to collect if they can't perform 2 of the ADLs. The ADLs are daily assisted daily living functions, such as eating, using the restroom, motor function, things like that. And so if they can't perform 2 of the 6, then they can file a claim for chronic illness, something that's chronic that they have the rest of their life, basically. The next one, most policies, just about all policies have this one. It's a terminal illness rider. It enables the insured to access a portion of death benefit if a doctor has says they have so much time to live. Now, again, if you're watching this on the live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, give me a hashtag replay. If you got some questions, drop some questions in the chat if I can answer some questions. So terminal illness, you'll be able to collect If the doctor gives you 6 months or 12 months to live, you can get a portion of the death benefit for that. Now, there's another rider, two more riders that one policy, one carrier covers this critical illness rider. I'm sorry, not critical illness, but critical injury rider. If a person is in a coma or something like that, there's only one carrier that carries that. And then some carriers allow you to have a long-term care rider. Now, you can't have the chronic illness and the long-term care rider if they offer a long-term care rider. It's either or. And long-term care, you know, basically if you need a living assisted or need to go into a nursing home or things like that, you can also have a rider. Now, you have to add these riders at the time of when you purchase the policy. But many times these riders, they could not make the policy more, some a few dollars more, but it's very beneficial because they're going to pay you while you're living, not just when you die. So you have the death benefit of the policy, but also you have these riders that will pay you while you're living. If you got questions, feel free to reach out to me, connect with me on Facebook, message me, DM me. I'll be more than glad to have a one-on-one consultation with you. There's no charge, no obligation for those that don't know me. My name is Troy. I own a company called Troy Ho Consulting. I'm located here in Pensacola, Florida. I've been in this industry about 22 years, and I'm willing to help educate and serve. So I hope everybody have a great night and a great rest of their weekend. Thank you for listening to this video. Again, if you're watching it on live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, give me a hashtag replay. Please share this video if it can help somebody. Thank you. Have a good night.